district. Hindin kasi kalai Ïakynduh ya Myntri ke Tnad Koit ke Khiah ke sorkar jela ikong amperin lingdo pan pensngau halor kimat ki bedei ke jinglong jingman ke Koit ke Khiah hapo kathan. Haba krench kelap patai kubor hadin ke Ïakynduh usketri ke Synjuk uba PB Siliang ula ong ba ke kenhon kalak kedau ki jingso Khiah jongka imlang sa alang bat banjur halor ke jingdon kam ban penpha kumjo pat ban kentiu ya ki jingdon jing em hakijaka sumar. Ula ongru baka Myntri kala kular syaki ban syimkia halor kita ikiman. Na kaliang ke Synjuk kala pensnguru ha kabaydey bat ke jing kentiu ya ki sub center bat primary health center po ke district.
From the Minister in charge of Health and Family, we are very glad to meet the Minister in charge, Dr. Ïakynduh, regarding the infrastructure of these 50 beds which they have established in Shnong. So from the Minister in charge, she have taken the concern that she will call the meeting on the 1st of December at Shnong, the Koit district, regarding to discuss the function of this hospital at Shnong. And the second point that we have discussed today with the Minister is regarding this establishment or an upgradation of sub-center and PHC. We are in need that the PHC and sub-center in Ri-Bhoi district to upgrade because the population ratio of the people in our Ri-Bhoi district have grown up from day to day. So from the Minister in charge of Health and Family, she had taken initiative regarding this matter. So we hope that on the 1st of December we will discuss thoroughly regarding this issue.